Hi guys, today me and my monkey are making a smoothie. Yay. It actually took me like a couple minutes to put that on, but I cut most of it out. But no blender should be that complicated. That was stupid. That bag was also stupid. Milk? And then yeah, that was stupid, but that was my fault. I don't know why I thought milk was gonna be good. Don't even start about juice and sugar. He had like a sip. It was actually really good. So I'm gonna give the rest to the neighbors, but bye guys. Thank you.